स्वागत है आपका शॉर्ट हैंडियंस गॉट इट चैनल पर। वीडियोस अगर पसंद आ जाएं तो लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा। लेटेस्ट डिक्टेशन और जॉब नोटिफिकेशंस को पाने के लिए बेल आइकन प्रेस कर दीजिएगा ताकि आपको टाइम पे आपकी डिक्टेशंस मिल सकें। थैंक यू सो मच।
This is an application for placing on record short replication to the written statement filed by the respondents full stop para. For the reasons mentioned in the application, the same is allowed full stop para. Replication is taken on record full stop para. This petition has been filed under Article 226 of the Constitution of India seeking issuance of a writ in the nature of certiorari for quashing the order dated 23/1/2020 in bracket annexure P6 bracket out wide which the service of the petitioner was terminated and order dated 27/10/2020 in bracket annexure P9 bracket out wide which the statutory appeal of the petitioner was rejected full stop. It is further prayed that the petitioner be reinstated into service with all consequential benefits full stop para. It is submitted by counsel for the petitioner that the petitioner was appointed by the respondents on the post of store purchase officer after a due process of selection full stop. The petitioner was placed under probation for a period of 2 years full stop. He successfully completed that probation period as well full stop. His probation period was never extended full stop. Even the performance of the petitioner was graded as good and above full stop. However, wide the impugned orders, the service of the petitioner has been terminated on the ground that while submitting his application form for the present post, the petitioner had claimed that he was a regular employee with his previous employer. However, as per the respondents, the petitioner was not a regular employee with his previous employer full stop. Counsel has submitted that firstly, there was no such condition in the advertisement that the petitioner should have been in regular employment with his previous employer full stop. Secondly, the petitioner had in fact been a regular employee with his previous employer full stop. Counsel has referred to the certificate given by the previous employer attached with the present petition as annexure P10 wherein it has been certified that the petitioner was a regular employee with his previous employer full stop. Counsel has also referred to the details furnished by the petitioner in his application form while applying for the present post full stop. In that also the petitioner has mentioned all the details of his employment which show that he was a regular employee full stop. Nothing was withheld by him full stop. Hence, it is submitted that the action taken by the respondents is neither justified by any rule nor is based upon factually correct perspective full stop. The petitioner has been a regular employee with his previous employer full stop. He had rightly applied for the present post and was selected and appointed after having competed with all the competing candidates full stop para. On the other hand, counsel for the respondents has referred to the written statement filed by the respondents and has submitted that the appointment of the petitioner was purely on contract basis full stop. Therefore, under the terms of employment, the respondents had an absolute right to terminate the services of the petitioner just by giving 3 months notice full stop. The petitioner suppressed the correct facts regarding his previous employment full stop. Therefore, the authorities have rightly terminated the services of the petitioner full stop. It is further submitted by counsel for the respondents that the name of the petitioner was involved in CBI case number RCCHG 2016 dated 14/1/2016 full stop para. No other point was argued full stop para. As response to this, counsel for the petitioner has submitted that the petitioner was not concerned with the criminal case in any manner full stop. Even the CBI has already filed the closure report in the said FIR finding no connection of the petitioner full stop over. तो दोस्तों ये 110 की स्पीड का डिक्टेशन पंजाब एंड हरियाणा हाई कोर्ट चंडीगढ़ बेंच के लिए हो गया है, स्टेनोटाइपिस्ट और सीनियर स्केल के लिए। ठीक है, इसको लीजिएगा, मिस्टेक्स बताइएगा, रिव्यू बताइएगा कैसा लगा डिक्टेशन, और क्या कहते हैं कि 80 वाले भी इसकी प्रैक्टिस करें और टेंशन बिल्कुल ना लें कि 80 वाले में दिक्कत आएगी, कुछ नहीं आने वाला। ठीक है, और इसमें क्या है, कुछ इसमें है नहीं बताने लायक। तो चलते हैं, फिर मिलेंगे अगली वीडियो में। लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा। थैंक यू सो मच, बाय बाय।